The P0008 code indicates an issue with the engine position system performance on Bank 1. Bank 1 is typically the side of the engine with cylinder 1. The ECM, or engine control module, has detected a timing or positioning discrepancy in engine components. The P0008 code presents with several noticeable symptoms that can affect your vehicle's performance and safety. One common symptom is engine misfires, where the engine suddenly loses power or runs roughly due to improper timing. You'll also experience reduced power and acceleration, making the vehicle feel sluggish during driving. The check engine light will illuminate on your dashboard, signaling the need for diagnosis. In some cases, the engine may stall unexpectedly, posing a safety risk. In severe cases, unburnt fuel can damage the catalytic converter, leading to costly repairs. The P0008 code has several common causes that mechanics encounter frequently. Understanding these helps with accurate diagnosis. The most frequent cause is a faulty camshaft position sensor, accounting for about 40% of P0008 cases. This sensor monitors camshaft rotation and sends signals to the engine control module. When it fails, the ECM can't properly calculate valve timing, triggering the code. A worn timing chain or belt can cause slippage, resulting in the camshaft and crankshaft becoming out of sync. This affects the engine's position system performance, especially in high-mileage vehicles where wear is more common. Problems with the wiring harness, such as corrosion, loose connections, or damage, can prevent proper electrical signals from reaching the engine control module. This is particularly common in vehicles exposed to moisture or harsh environments. Engine control module software glitches, often triggered by low battery voltage or outdated firmware, can lead to false P008 readings. These are usually fixed with software updates rather than hardware replacement. Oil sludge buildup in variable valve timing systems, especially in older vehicles with poor maintenance, can restrict the VVT components. This prevents proper camshaft aft adjustment, leading to timing issues and the P008 code. Start by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0008 code. Next, check the freeze frame data for engine RPM and load conditions when the code was set. Inspect the camshaft position sensor resistance, which should typically be between 1 and 5 kiloohms, and check wiring continuity. Clear the code and perform a test drive. If the P008 code returns, proceed to deeper diagnostic checks. For advanced diagnostics of P0008, use oscilloscopes to analyze waveforms from the camshaft position sensor and crankshaft position sensor. These tools reveal timing discrepancies through visual patterns. Manufacturer-specific diagnostic tools, such as Ford's IDS or General Motors Tech 2, offer deeper insights with proprietary data access and real-time analysis. If basic checks fail to identify the problem, inspect camshaft end play to detect excessive movement in the timing system. Also, verify oil pressure, as low pressure can affect variable valve timing and contribute to timing issues. When dealing with P0008 code repairs, some tasks can be handled as DIY projects. Simple fixes like replacing the camshaft position sensor or repairing wiring harness issues are often within reach for those with basic tools and mechanical knowledge. However, complex problems require professional expertise. Timing chain replacement and engine control module issues demand specialized tools and knowledge to avoid catastrophic engine damage. Incorrect timing adjustments can severely damage your engine, potentially leading to expensive rebuilds or total failure. Always prioritize safety and accuracy in automotive repairs. The P0008 code often points to a faulty camshaft position sensor, which accounts for about 70% of cases according to automotive experts. However, it can also be an early warning sign of significant engine wear, such as timing chain issues that require immediate attention. Ignoring the P008 code is not advisable, as it serves as a critical warning sign for potential timing disasters. Addressing it promptly can prevent more expensive issues like catalytic converter damage or complete engine failure, saving significant repair costs. Looking ahead, as internal combustion engines gradually phase out by 2035 due to electric vehicle mandates, diagnoses like P008 will become increasingly niche, primarily relevant only for older legacy vehicles. This shift reflects broader trends in automotive technology. For safe and effective repairs, always consult your vehicle's manufacturer's service manuals for specific procedures. Additionally, remember to disconnect the battery before working on sensors to avoid potential damage to the engine control module.